Yo, what's up? Welcome to Marcel on the Beat, as usual. Marcel on the Beat. Next time I'm going to France. I'm gonna get the money. Okay, now today we're gonna be speaking about the beat that I made at campus, UWC. Yep, I was on campus, I was bored, so I made a beat. This is how it sounds like. So you can pick any sound you like. You can maybe like shift it down like 1, 2. Any sound you like. Any sound you like. So this is my number 1. This is my number 1. This is my number 2. That's my number 2. I don't use many things. I use usually this, and here I use this. Expand. I don't use many things. I don't know why. For me, I won't say they're weird, but notice. The number 3 is this. I used this. It's like Chinese in a way. And then kicks. Kicks are kicks. And like kicks are kicks. They, I think I'm gonna steal this. I don't know what I would do with it, but let me steal it. See, there's this like it is like it's just like it's floating in a way, but it's not. See, it doesn't like fade out completely because like this. This is just a simple. That's it. That's vocals and all this. After that, I have added some. This one, this is what I've added. So it is an additional sound. Sound of thunder. What is this sound? That's all that I've used. Like add into this. Oh, and this is the music I was listening to. Make it. This guy's good. This guy is good, man. This guy's good. No offense. There are some people that I really look up to. And that's the beat. Yep, that's pretty much it. And thanks. Hope to see you next time. Only on Marcel on the beat.